What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's happening, y'all? Welcome back. I am your hostess with the mostest, TonyaNicole. Boo, who else would it be? welcome. Today, girl, we got Bijou back on the channel. And not only do we have November, but guess what? We got December too. So, boo, if y'all want to see what November and December is about, stay right there. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, guys? Welcome. As I said in the intro, I'm your host today, TonyaNicole. Hey. Today, guys, we have Bijou Beauty Box. Now, I haven't had this box on my channel for a couple of months. I thought she took me off the PR list, but she said, no, girl, I didn't. I just halted it for a little bit, and now I'm going to hit you with two. We got November and December's boxes. Just so that you guys know, November box is still shipping, just in case you did not get yours yet. Today's drink, I still have my same Moscato. Let's take a dance break and a drink break. Ooh. Before we go any further, my loves, I want to give a shout out to my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Now let's get some specs done and unbox it. Okie dokie, guys. So Bijou Beauty Box is a $30 month-to-month beauty subscription. You have to pay $5.95 for shipping. So it's about $35.95 every month for this box. You get 5 mystery beauty products each month. So everyone's box will be different. And I do have a code I will put, I'm about to drop this, right here on the screen and also down below to get you some coins off if you want to sign up. So let's do November 1st and then we'll do December. So this is the November box, guys. And as I said before, it is still shipping if you did not get yours already. That's what it's looking like on the inside. We do get a card with Bijou right here. And on this side here, it gives us a list of all of the products as well as the price. I will put that down below and do a grand total towards the end. On the front here, they do have like a little paper with a star. That is so cute. So first product up that I'm seeing is bubble wrapped like this, really good. And it is from Lorella's. Okay, and this is the iconic palette. And on the back here, it gives you what the palette looks like. Now, I will tell you guys this. I did get the box for men for November, and I'm going to probably unbox it later on in the month. But y'all need to check that video out because it is going to be hilarious. I'm telling y'all. So this is what the packaging is looking like, my loves. And on the back, like I said, those are the shades. Let's slide it out. Oh, no mirror, but oh, girl, wait. Comes with a little plastic seal, and those are the colors of the palette. I love this palette. You got some shimmer shades, some matte shades. It's a lot of browns and golds. I think you can achieve a beautiful look with this palette. I do love Lorella's formula. I will link, I think I got a mystery box from Lorella, and I know one of my subscribers, Miss Leona, sent me a mystery box from Lorella that I unboxed. I will link those down below just in case you guys missed it. But I do like this palette. This is $13. Next product is this right here. It's from Sweet Chef, and it is a Kale plus vitamin B fresh pressed sheet mask. It soothes and hydrates, my loves. And that's how it is looking. I do love the little packaging right here. So Sweet Chef makes the perfect daily shot of vegetables and vitamins to freshly boost your skin's vitality and deliver a healthy radiance. So you're gonna put this mask on, leave on for 15 to 20 minutes and remove it. Pat the rest into your face. I do like skin mask now. I'm not sure why, but it's very relaxing when I'm in the tub. So I do like this. And this one retails for $3.50. If you are a sheet mask freak like I am, well, I wouldn't call myself a freak just yet, but if you love sheet masks, go on and drop something down below. I don't know, a cucumber. Girl, y'all know I'm just like, whatever. Alrighty, loves. Then we have, 3 brushes. Oh, they feel so, wait, this one is a little, okay, now it feels good. They feel really good. So these are 3 brushes right here with this nice like unicorn-esque design. So you can put it on your head. I'm just joking, guys, but that's what the handles look like. Very pretty. And this is from Kale Cosmetics. You get 3 brushes. Here is probably your contour brush right here. Nice angled brush. It is very soft, okay? This one would be your foundation brush, or you can use this one as like a skincare brush. It's nice and flat, but it does feel really nice. And then this one is your powder brush. And look at the bristles with like the unicorn-esque type of vibe. I am loving this. And these 3 brushes retail for $12. All right, 2 more products in November's box. And next up, we have something else wrapped up. Let's see. Ooh, it's bubble wrapped as well. All right, and it's from Aesthetica, and this is the Contour Series Powder right here, and this is what it looks like on the back. Let's open her up. Oh, it comes with like a little book to tell you how to properly contour and highlight your face. Oh, mine is cracked. Oh, but when we open it up, we have a mirror. Hey, love. All right, guys, let's pull it back. Mine is cracked. It does come with this cute little diagram, I guess, to let you know how to contour. And this is the, let me put my hair back. This is the palette right here. This shade right here cracked, but this is the contour right here, and the top is the highlight. I'm just gonna quickly swatch it for you guys. Since it's broken, I won't give it away, so I might as well just swatch it. And this is like a definite cool toned palette. They look, you know, almost gray, which you do want your contour to be. I don't know if this will work for your girl though. I mean, they're very light colored. I'm not sure if that will work on my skin tone, but since it is broken, I'll probably try it out and see, but they are just like a little bit too light for me. I don't know. Maybe they can be like built up a little bit. All right, guys. And this right here retails, wow, $40. Ooh, now this is an expensive brand too, I think. Let me know if you've tried this palette out. I would love to know. And then last but not least, we have from Millennial Beauty, and this is a palette. And I had 2 other palettes and I ain't say it, so let me say it. Palette, girl. Here's the palette right here, guys. And it's a 12 color eyeshadow palette, and it's made with cannabis and sativa seed extract. I hope I said that right. That's what it looks like on the outside. And when we open it up, oh, we don't have a mirror, but it does say bake sale on the top. That is cute. I don't know what that's about. OG pumpkin pie is $10, strawberry cushy pie $10, Bubba blueberry pie $10, and pineapple express pie $10. But look at these shades. Oh, girl, this palette is sickening. It's probably hard for you guys to pick it up because the colors kind of blend in with the background. So I'm gonna go a little closer so that you can see. Gorgeous palette, gorgeous. Let's swatch a couple of these. Gorgeous. Those are 3 colors there. Let's do this one right here too. Those right there. This is a pretty palette. That's how they look swatched out. That's 1 swipe each. This is a pretty palette, guys. And this retails for $29.99, which I know Millennial Beauty is a pricey brand. Yeah, $29. I don't know if I would pay $29, but that's what it says, and I'm happy to get it in this box. So guys, that was our final product in November's box. Let me quickly show you guys what we got again. We're gonna do a total final thoughts on November, and then we're gonna hop into December. So we have these 3 brushes right here from Kale Cosmetics. We have this face mask right here. From Lorella, this eyeshadow palette. Millennial Beauty, this eyeshadow palette. And Aesthetica, this contour palette. So these 5 products right here, Final thoughts on November's box is I really missed Bijou, guys, on my channel. The total for November's box was $98.49. I really missed this sub. You get some really cool products. I do like that November was very heavy in palettes. She gave us 3 palettes, contour and 2 eyeshadow palettes, along with a little sheet mask. I think, well, I could have did probably without the sheet mask, but we got 3 brushes as well. I think it was a pretty decent box for November. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what you thought about November's box. So guys, if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, throw it in the damn ocean, to 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying. I'm gonna give Bijou for the month of November a whopping 3.5 to probably even 4. I enjoyed the box, guys. Let me know your thoughts down below, and we're gonna move on to December. So this is the December's box, and I told you guys November is still shipping. December is going to start shipping probably in the next week, I think she said. This is what the inside looks like. Pretty similar to November's box. Oh, girl, we didn't take a drink in a while. Let me get a little drink right quick. Hold on. All right. We do get the card right here. On this side, it has all of the products that we received in the box. We're going to open up December's box. First up, I am seeing from Fig and Yarrow, and this is the Day Nutrient Booster Serum right here. Now, I did receive this product in a skincare box that I got. I don't remember which one, but it was an under eye cream, and I have really been enjoying that. So you get 1 fluid ounce of product in here, and the eye serum smells like coffee. So I don't know what this one smells like. It ain't coffee though. But you do get 1 fluid ounce of product in here. And it just says to apply a small amount to your cleansed face prior to facial serums or other moisturizers. And this retails for $34, my loves. And then we have from Sulphur Beauty. This is the liquid lipstick right here in the shade Asylum. I guess that's what that is. I hope I'm saying that right. I don't know. What color y'all think it is? I think it might be like red or something. I don't know. It's probably not. Oh, look. I always get it wrong. It's a nice like hot pink. I'm not sure if it's coming across like that on the camera, but it looks more red to me on the camera. But it's more of like a pinky toned lipstick here. This one retails for $14, loves. I'm not going to swatch this because I probably will not wear this shade, but it is very, very pretty. And Sulphur Beauty's formula is, oof, I love it. I love it. But this color, I know I won't reach for a lot. And then we have, oh, wow. These 3 products right here. Bubble wrapped. First up, this is from who? Oh, Lorella. And this is called Under the Mistletoe. Okay, so y'all know it's December. You know it's Christmas vibes. So I do like that we have a themed palette. Under the Mistletoe. Y'all be kissing under the mistletoe? Let me know, girl, down below. First, it comes in this cute green packaging with this little mistletoe. So y'all, you know, blow me a little kiss right now. I'm strange, I know. All right, when we open it up, oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. First of all, we get a mirror. Oh, look at this big bump. Hey, boo. Y'all, I have been breaking out like crazy. I don't know. It's that mask that I have to wear at work. But y'all, oh my gosh. I hope it's coming across clear. This one is a brown shade. You have greens. It says Meet Me, Mistletoe, Grinch, Sugar Cookie, Holly. I love this palette. Beautiful palette. Goes with the theme. Oh, I love it. And I need to swatch it. I think I'm going to swatch on my arm. This is a pretty palette though. That is a pretty, oh, those are the shimmer shades in this palette. I love it. Now, in this box, you get 3 of the Lorella holiday palettes. So, they retail for $36. So they're $12 a piece, right? Yes. 12 times 3 is 36. Yes. So they're $12 a piece. So let me get the other 2 so I can show you guys. Oops. Ooh. So the other two look like this. We have Tis the Season and Winter Wishes. Okay, y'all. So I hope if y'all get the December box that y'all get at least some of these products. So when we slide it out, it's the same thing. And we, oh my goodness. Okay, like this one, we get another mirror. Hey, boo. Look at this. Let me pull the plastic off. This is this palette right here. I'm gonna back up and hopefully you guys can get into how gorgeous this palette is. So some of the shades are called Secret Santa, Icicle, Blizzard, Angel Baby, Snowflake. Oh my God. Okay, I love this. I love that they're holiday themed and they're pretty. They go with the packaging. Like this right here is what I would expect to see in this palette. Like, oh my God, I'm excited to open the red one. Let's open that one up really quick. It's called Tis the Season. So I'm expecting on this one to see some reds and some greens. No, reds and whites. Oh, girl. We get another mirror. Hey, lovely. Girl. Okay, now I think this one is my favorite. Look at that. This is a deep red up here. This is a sparkle shade. I have to, oh girl, this one is so pretty. I need to swatch it, y'all. I have to swatch it. Santa Baby, Sparkle, Hot Cocoa, Candy Cane. Like these are beautiful, beautiful shades that your girl gonna have to play with. I'm gonna have to do me a red Christmas look. Like, oh my God, look at those colors, not these right here. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh girl, I love this. All three of them are simply gorgeous. These three retail for $36, which is $12 a piece. So that was our final product in December's box. Let's quickly recap final thoughts and we're gonna be done. So we got from Fig and Yarrow this daily nutrient booster serum, Suva Beauty this liquid lipstick, and from Lorella these 3 holiday palettes. So these 5 products right here, loves. Final thoughts is I enjoyed December's box as well. I think it was a big hit for me with these 3 palettes. So the total for this box is $84. The palettes kind of stole the show for me. I do love the fact that they put holiday palettes in this December box. I am excited about using this nutrient booster serum. The Suva Beauty lipstick is gorgeous. The formula is wonderful, but this is the show stealer for me. I mean, I love every single one of these palettes. The colors swatch so beautifully. They're so creamy. I can't wait to use them and create a holiday look. So I'm pleased with the December box as well, guys. I mean, y'all need to let me know what y'all thinking. If I had to rate December's box on a scale of 1, being this box is garbage, let Santa sit on it. To 5, being this box is a bomb.com, boo. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to give Bijou for December a whopping 3.5 to 4 as well. Probably more of a 4 because I mean, I may be like feeling the palettes a lot. I do like them. So guys, let me know down below in the comments what you thought of November and December's boxes. I'm happy to see Bijou back and in effect and on my channel. I have missed them. If you have not done so, make sure you subscribe to our family. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I will put my code down below in the link to Bijou if you want to sign up. I think you get like 20% off. I, of course, don't make any money off of it, but it's just something for you guys. That's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing with me and all of my crazy antics. That's all that I have, loves. I enjoyed talking with you guys. I look forward to talking to you in the comments. Take care. Be blessed. Stay safe. Bye, guys.